Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here and I'm so glad that you are watching this video, and I hope that you will enjoy the video and you will watch to the end. So guys, from the title you can see that we are going to make an exfoliating soap and a skin brightening soap, and I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial of how to make these soaps, and I hope that you will enjoy and you'll be able to make your own soaps at home. So guys, the first ingredient that we are using here is aloe vera. As you know, aloe vera is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. It's incredibly hydrating and nourishing for the skin, and it leaves it feeling soft and supple. Also, aloe vera is anti-inflammatory, and it makes it now perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. So I'm using fresh aloe, so this is just a process of extracting fresh aloe, after which now I will blend it and it will be ready to be used in our soap recipe. This recipe will need soap base. I cut it in cubes so that it can be easy for me to melt it. I also used avocado oil. Guys, remember that I made this oil a while back. You can go back to my channel and watch it. And then this is coffee. It was large particles, so I ground it so that I can make very fine particles to be used in the soap. So first off, we start by melting the soap. Guys, use a double boiler. Don't put it directly. And then in the meantime, while our soap is melting, we take the coffee grounds. That is 1 spoon, and then I added a spoon of avocado oil, and then I added 2 spoons of the fresh aloe. And then I also need vitamin E capsules that I just bought from the local shop. So avocado oil is rich in beneficial fatty acids and antioxidants, and it's also highly moisturizing, and it can be easily absorbed by the skin. Vitamin E, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radicals, which can cause premature aging and damage. It also has moisturizing properties that improve skin elasticity and also reduce appearance of fine lines or wrinkles. The coffee grounds, on the other hand, they act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. And this also leads to a smoother and brighter looking skin. Also, just like vitamin E, it also contains antioxidants and it reduces inflammation and promotes the overall skin health. So guys, you mix these ingredients as our soap is melting. Make sure to mix everything thoroughly to make an even paste. I have used lavender essential oil in this recipe to just add a nice smell. So once you remove the soap from the double boiler, make sure that it cools a bit, just a few seconds or so. So I divided the soap base into two because I'm going to make 2 different types of soap, and then I added my mixture that I have just made before. And then make sure to mix thoroughly, but do not do it so fast so that you don't introduce so many air bubbles. And guys, because I did not have a soap mold, I have modified this juice packet to be used as a soap mold, and it works perfectly for me, especially when I'm making soap or when I'm making candles. It's also cheaper. You consume the juice, and then you use the packet to as your mold to make the soap. So guys, I'll let this one sit for 24 hours. And then this is the other soap base that remained, that I am now going to use to make my second soap. In the second recipe, the main ingredients that I'm going to use are lemon juice and I'm going to use lemon juice and turmeric powder. So lemon juice is has natural skin brightening properties, and it contains citric acid, which helps to exfoliate and lighten dark spots or hyperpigmentation. So if you have a problem with these dark spots and hyperpigmentation, then this is the perfect soap to make that can help you to reduce such. And then it also fades scars and blemishes. Okay, turmeric soap contains a compound called curcumin, which can help soothe inflamed or irritated skin. Also, turmeric is an antioxidant, and it helps to protect the skin from free radicals. Okay, both lemon and turmeric powder have antibacterial properties which can help fight acne causing bacteria and reduce breakouts. Lemon juice's natural acidity can also help to balance the skin's pH. So guys, the benefits of lemon and turmeric are so many. If your skin is generally dull and you just want to help to brighten it up a bit, maybe you don't have even these acne, then this is the perfect soap to use. And I'm using fresh lemon juice, so it's more beneficial to the skin. You can try out this recipe. So guys, this is how the soap turned out. You can see that the bar is really nice. I'm going to let it to cure for 3 weeks before I use it. That's why I just used a small patch to show you the foaming properties. It really works, and it's a nice soap to make at home. So maybe I'll do a small recap after the 3 weeks so that you can see. This 3 weeks is to just allow the soap to cure and to harden a bit so that it can last longer. Plus I have a batch that I am using right now, so I am not in a hurry to use it.